Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into the 5 best finger blood pressure apps for Android to help you track your health from your smartphone. We'll break down each app, highlight its key features, and give you a glimpse of its user interface. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have the Blood Pressure app. This app, with a 3.8 star rating from 54,000 reviews, is designed to help you easily track and manage your hypertension, providing clear insights into your health trends. Here are 3 standout features. Detailed history. The app allows you to quickly log your systolic, diastolic, pulse, weight, and blood oxygen saturation readings with options to add notes and tags for context. Interactive charts. Visualize your blood pressure trends clearly with interactive charts and detailed statistics, including MAP and PP, to understand your numbers instantly. PDF reports. Easily export your blood pressure history as comprehensive PDF reports, complete with charts, perfect for sharing with your doctor. Now, let's take a quick tour of the app's interface. When you first open the app, you'll see the main screen. Clicking on the date icon at the top allows you to quickly navigate through different dates to view your past entries. Next, the history icon takes you to a comprehensive list of all your recorded blood pressure readings, presented in an easy-to-read format. Tapping on the graph icon brings up interactive charts that visually represent your blood pressure trends over time, helping you spot patterns and understand your progress. Moving on to data analysis, this section provides deeper insights into your readings, offering statistics and summaries. Finally, the 3 dots button, typically found in the top corner, opens up a menu with additional options, such as customizable settings, appearance options, data filters, and backup features, allowing you to personalize your experience. At number 4 on our list, we have the Blood Pressure Tracker app. With a solid 4.4 star rating from 18,000 reviews on the Play Store, this app is designed to be your ultimate companion for maintaining a healthy heart and achieving your wellness goals. 3 standout features make it a must-have. Blood Pressure Tracker. Easily record your measurements and track changes over time. Add measurements and grade your BP level. Get insights into your blood pressure readings and understand your levels. Export detailed history. Seamlessly export your blood pressure history to PDF for your records or to share with your healthcare provider. Now, let's take a look at the app's user interface. Starting from the home screen, you'll see the Track option, where you can easily input your blood pressure readings. Moving over to the History tab, you can view your detailed blood pressure reading history, complete with graphs and trends to visualize your progress. The Info option provides a treasure trove of informative articles to expand your understanding of blood pressure management. Tapping on the Settings icon, you can customize reminders and other app preferences. Finally, the Plus icon is your quick access to add new measurements instantly. This intuitive layout makes managing your health straightforward and efficient. At number 3 on our list is the Blood Pressure app, BP Monitor. This app boasts a 4.4 star rating from 24,000 reviews. It's designed to be a free, simple, and easy-to-use tool to help you monitor your blood pressure effectively. Here are 3 standout features. Heart Rate Monitor. The app allows you to easily log your heart rate data alongside your blood pressure. Blood pressure tracking. You can record and track changes in your blood pressure data over the long term. Blood sugar logging. The app provides the functionality to log and manage your blood sugar information. Now, let's take a look at the app's user interface. Upon opening the app, you're greeted with a clear display showing options for blood pressure, heart rate, and more, indicating where you can log your vital signs. Clicking the Home menu icon typically brings you to the main dashboard, offering an overview of your health data. Navigating to Tracker allows you to dive deeper into your historical records and view trends. The Insights section provides valuable information and analysis based on your logged data. Finally, the Settings button lets you customize the app to your preferences and manage your profile. At number 2 on our list, we have the Blood Pressure app, Smart BP. This app boasts a rating of 3.9 stars from over 5,000 reviews, and its main purpose is to be your convenient and reliable blood pressure monitor and tracking solution. It aims to simplify blood pressure measurement, especially for those managing high blood pressure, and helps you move away from manual recording. Here are 3 standout features. Your heart monitor. This feature allows you to manually record or automatically sync your blood pressure measurements, giving you a comprehensive view of your heart's health. Heart Points Tracker. The app automatically calculates your body mass index, mean arterial pressure, and pulse rate, providing deeper insights into your cardiovascular health. Stay on top of your normal, low, and high blood pressure. With color-coded classifications, you can easily visualize if your readings fall within low, normal, or high blood pressure ranges, helping you stay informed about your health. As we move into the app's user interface, you'll find it designed for clarity and ease of use. Starting from the home menu, this is where you can quickly input your new blood pressure readings. Tapping on Insights brings you to a screen that displays graphical representations of your blood pressure trends and statistical analysis, helping you understand your progress over time. Next, the History tab presents a detailed log of all your recorded measurements, allowing you to review past data. The primary section likely refers to your main profile or core settings within the app. Finally, the More option typically leads to a menu with additional settings, data synchronization options, and support resources, providing a comprehensive hub for managing your blood pressure data. At number 1 on our list is Withings. This app boasts an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 192,000 reviews on the Play Store. Withings serves as your central hub for comprehensive health management, whether your goals are weight loss, activity tracking, blood pressure management, or improving sleep. Here are 3 standout features. Withings, the nexus of your health. It seamlessly connects all your Withings devices and unifies your health data in one place for smarter decisions. Powering your journey to longevity. Withings Plus offers a premium subscription service with AI and in-app cardiologists for personalized care. ECG-powered cardiologist review in 24 hours. Through Withings Plus, you can get your ECG reviewed by a certified cardiologist, often within just a few hours. Now, let's take a quick look at the Withings app's user interface. Upon opening the app, you'll likely see a profile icon at the top, allowing you to access your personal details and settings. From there, you can navigate to the Home menu, which provides an overview of various health metrics like your health score, body activity, and more. Tapping the Achieve icon will likely lead you to programs and content designed to motivate your wellness journey. You'll also find a Share option, making it easy to share your data with family, friends, or even your doctor. Finally, a plus icon at the top usually allows you to manually add measurements for various health metrics. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.